This, my friends, is what makes me the best in town. You don't use a porcupine roller on plush carpet. That's what it's for, commercial carpet. You don't use it on plush. You work behind the seam. Don't work your seam iron in front of it, because if you do, you can put weight. You'll have all your knee weight and stuff behind it, and it's still warm. So you take a chance on tearing that seam apart. Not a whole bunch, but just enough to gap it. You don't want your seam gapped. Boys and girls, I'll get back at you.